everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, mag-unbox po tayo ng Macbook ko, guys. Kasi the other vlog ko, bumili ako ng Macbook. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, for helping me. So, yes! OMG! Like, I've been wanting to have a MacBook na kasi yung MacBook Air ko, sira na siya, guys, no? And ngayon kasi nagtatrabaho ako sa Bohol local and need ko ng laptop. At of course, sa YouTube din, need ko ng laptop. I asked Mommy na okay lang, bibili ako ng laptop. And they said yes. Pero Zay, didak na sa akong money, Zay. So yes, I have here the MacBook Pro. So guys, I have here the MacBook Pro. Wait, so asa mo na siya, Brihanday? Ani, tara na. Wait. I'm so happy, uy. Okay, guys. So, ito na siyang abrihan. Thank you so much. By the way, before that, ito kasi yung laptop ko before. Ito, yung maliit lang. At, mo charge pa siya, but then, hindi na siya, it's not turning on na. So, I think, yung battery yung sira. Kasi one time, dinala ko niyan doon sa Fortress, but they said they can fix it, but then, dadalhin muna siya sa Cebu. So, I don't want it na dalhin yan sa Cebu kasi madugayan na sad and that's an old laptop naman. So, I decided I'll just buy a new one na lang pod. So, I bought this MacBook Pro dun sa Fortress sa ICM. So, muna siya, guys. I'm so happy. And of course, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, for helping me buy this. Okay. Dudoy! Sure na, Dudoy! Hey guys! So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung room ko kasi medyo messy siya ngayon. So, ito na siya, guys, no? Wait, ito sa siya. Ibutang sa likod. Ayun. Okay. So, napadini ang kuha ni Brandon. By the way, guys, before this, go check out Bohol Local TV. I'll be hosting there and I'm working sa Don sa Bohol Local TV. Okay, guys. So, unsama ni siya. Okay, MacBook Pro. Like, kasi yung MacBook Air ko, hindi yun talaga sa akin. Binigay lang yun ni Mommy. And this one is like akin na jud. Like, wait. Bruh. MacBook Air. I'm so excited. No! This is my MacBook. And this is the latest MacBook, guys. Okay. Hello, I'm scared. Like, I'm literally shaking right now. So, ito yan. Okay. So satisfying. That feeling gani when you have a new Apple product. Like, it's so satisfying to open dyan. Wow. It's so pretty. Like, makasamin ka ni Day. Like, okay ako makeup. Okay, so ata sa siyang abrihan. Oh my gosh. Okay. Closer. Oh. Apple. OMG. I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. And thank you also to Mommy and Daddy. Okay. So, one pa siya nag-load. I'm so happy. Dando gaya, oy. Okay. So, unsa man English. English. Pero guys, since I bought this, now I can't have the iPhone 12. Like, I have to kanang work for it so I can buy the iPhone 12 because Mommy bought this already. So if ganahan kog iPhone 12, I have to work for it. So, ay sa kadali. Wait, guys, naas ko yung GM.
Oy, hi vlog.
Okay, continue. So, we need a Wi-Fi. I don't know what's mommy's Wi-Fi password. Okay ba kaya? Aya. Okay, so it's saying na select your Wi-Fi network, and I don't know what's the password of the Wi-Fi's here. Okay, change na lang, mommy. I never mind. Continue na lang later. So guys, while I'm waiting, so ayun nga, if you guys want to see me hosting a videos and stuff, challenges and interview and stuff, go check out Bohol Local TV. I'll be there. I'll be hosting some of the episodes. So yeah guys, tapi hindi akong camera. So daw
Cuddle curtain.
Connecting. By the way guys, that's why ngani may forma karon, because me and Kuya Jim's going on a date.
Dalaw spelling. Keto kern di ay.
Ay, kado halahan. Hey, mama. No, full ID. Wait sa guys. Huh? Skincare is life. So guys, I'm setting up all my accounts na and everything. So yes, thank you so much guys. And by the way, nasa Denny free charger. See, and some stickers. Thank you, mother. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys. Inig-on na ako sa ang Macbook. Guys, the thing I like about this is kani-ganihing mga ingani. Malingaw dyan ko singani ni mami, kay same naman may laptop ni mami, Macbook. So, I'm happy. Okay, hey Siri. Sana all. Hey Siri, open the documents. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Or na. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Bruh. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Okay. Dancing in my backyard, boy, you look super fine. Okay. Hey guys, so naka-open ako sa akong MacBook. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and of course the bell button to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you guys like my new baby also. So this is gonna be my baby, because I don't have a baby. Charot. So hi baby. Yes, baby girl. You're my baby now. Bye guys. Thank you so much. I love you all.
Pero más grande que las nubes. Otra vez tú te vas. Sabes que nuestra relación no va para ningún lugar. Otra vez tú te vas. Y pa' que quede claro contigo, ahora solo somos amigos. Goodbye. Tanto que te deseé, una pelea en la